a real bad day. No. Oh, how could I stay mad at you?
Captain Crunch! A nutritious breakfast cereal that'll keep you going throughout the day. Want a delicious breakfast cereal that'll balance between some sugar and also some nutritional vitamins?
Well then, you better get Captain Crunch, baby, because Captain Crunch is not only the most nutritious cereal out there, it's also the most delicious. You better buy it today. That's right, Rory, you right there, you better buy it. Look at this man, he's about to chomp into the cereal. It's actually delicious. Look at his satisfied face. Look at this man, he's on a balcony, eating Captain Crunch, looking at a beautiful view. That's what you'll feel when you eat Captain Crunch. I'm telling you right now, that's what's gonna happen. This guy right here, he's enjoying it so much that he has to regurgitate it off the balcony. He loves it so much. He loves Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch!
Captain Crunch is so good that if you're ever having a bad day and you just need your spirits lifted, then you can eat Captain Crunch and look like this man, just having the time of his life having Captain Crunch. He was having a bad day? Not anymore, because guess what this captain can do? It is so good, it is bull-licking good. Look at this man, he is just getting in there. And you can try all 3 of our great flavors. And as you can see here, we have all real products in our food.
Not only do we eat that type of food, that Captain Crunch, Ninja eats it too. Look at this gamer right here. He's playing this most hardcore game, and while eating Captain Crunch, it fuels his addiction. It fuels what he needs to do to get the gamer dead. Captain Crunch also has 1.2 grams of protein. Isn't that right, Kev?
Yeah, muscle!